Okay, good morning, students. We're on to grade 8 mathematics, and we're treating inequalities. We're going to start from exercise 22, and we'll trust that we'll be able to continue from where we stopped. So we'll start with question 10. Now, in question 10, we are told that 5x is what? Greater than 45. So that means I'll divide both sides by 5 and x should be greater than 9. So how do you do that? You draw your bubble pointing in this direction, and our bubble will have what? 9. So that settles that. You just put x in front of the x, always put on the right hand side. All right, question 11. In question 11, you have 12 is greater than or equal to 3x. If this is greater than or equal to this, it means that 3x will be less than or equal to what? 12. All right, so with that, x will be less than or equal to 4, meaning that what? Draw a bubble, you put 4 there, and it will go in this direction, and that is x. Is that clear? So question 12. In question 12, we have that negative 10 is less than 5x. If negative 10 is less than 5x, it invariably means that 5x is greater than negative 10. So I'll divide both sides by 5, and I'm going to add that x is greater than negative 2. So how do I do that? I'll draw my bubble, negative 2, greater than means it's going in this direction. I put my x there, and then I complete it like that. That's it. That's all you need to know there. Question 13. In question 13, we are told that 4x is greater than, is greater than or equal to negative 9. So what do? You divide both sides by 4. I'm going to add that x is greater than or equal to negative 9 over 4. You draw your bubble, put your negative 4 over 9 over 4, going in this direction, x. All right. So that's for question 13. So it's quite interesting and straightforward. Then question 14. In question 14, we have that 8 is less than or equal to 3x. If 8 is less than this, it only means that x will be greater than or equal to what? 8. That's what it means. That's why when I started, I told you that don't learn it or master this to the idea that there's a greater than, there's a less than. Look at it in relative terms. All right. So you divide both sides by 3, and you have that x is greater than or equal to 8 over 3. So what do? Oh, please, sorry, I forgot something, and I'm surprised nobody drew my attention to this. For greater than or equal to, the bubbles have to be covered. The bubbles have to be covered for greater than or equal to. So please cover your bubbles. In case I made that mistake, they just cover your bubbles. That's what differentiates. That the color bubble suggests that there is equality somewhere. So you draw your color bubble, going to the right hand side, x, and you have 8 over 3. So let's go to question 15. In question 15, we have that 3x plus 1 is less than 13. So what is that? It means 3x will be plus 1. You take 1 from both sides. I have that 3x will be less than what? 12. You divide both sides by 3, and what you're going to get will be x less than 4. How do you do that? Draw your bubble, going in this direction, complete in this direction, x, and then the bubble will be what? 4. That's all. That's just wow. So let's go to question 16. In question 16, we have 5x minus 2 greater than or equal to 8. So what do? Because it's a negative, you add 2 to both sides. And that will mean 5x will be greater than or equal to 10. So divide both sides by 5, x will be greater than or equal to what? 2. Is that clear? So what's that? To be a colored bubble pointing to my right and having 2 underneath. So that's for 16. Okay. So let's see what happens in question 17. -5 greater than 4x plus 15. If this is greater than this, it means 4x plus 15 will be less than -5. That's what it means. So 4x plus 15 minus 15 will be less than -5 minus what? 15. So you're subtracting 15 from both sides. So 4x will be less than -20. I divide both sides by 4, and add that x will be less than what? -5. So what does that give you? A bubble not colored facing the left-hand side in x and having what? -5 there. So let's go to question 18. In question 18, we have that 3x minus 8 is less than what? 5x. Here you have to be careful. The knowledge you have gathered from equations would apply here. The knowledge you have gathered from equation will do what? Apply here. Now, 3x minus 8 is less than 5x. Which of them is bigger? You discover that this is bigger, so this has to be on the left-hand side. So if this is less than this, it means that 5x will be greater than what? 3x minus 8. So that means 5x minus 3x will be greater than what? Okay, let's put it in perspective. 3x, we take away 3x from both sides. And that will mean that 2x will be greater than -8. We'll then divide both sides by 2, and invariably x will not be greater than -8. I say -4, sorry. So what will the number line look like? A bubble going in this direction, having -4 here in x. So that's it. So that's for question 18. So 2 more questions to go. 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 19. 8x plus 16 is less than or equal to 0. So that will mean that 8x minus 8x, 8x plus 16 minus 16 is less than or equal to 0 minus 16. So that will mean 8x will be less than -16. Divide both sides by 8, and x will be less than what? 2. Less than or equal to, sorry about that, -2. So it means the bubble has to be colored facing the left of -2 in x. I see that. So you see that these things are very, very simple. They are very simple, very, very simple things. In question 20, x plus 4 will be greater than or equal to 10x minus 23. Now, take note of this problem. Where is x bigger? X is bigger here. So what that means is that I will have to rewrite this. And in rewriting, if this is bigger than this, it means that this will be less than or equal to what? So what does that mean? So I'll take then 10x minus x minus 23 will be less than or equal to x minus x plus 4. So that will give me 9x minus 23 plus 23, because we need to move it to the other side, less than or equal to what? 4 plus 23. So that will mean 9x will be less than or equal to what? 27. I'll divide both sides by 9. I'm going to tell that x will be equal to what? X will be what? Less than or equal to 3. So at this point, we will draw a number line. We are going to draw a number line. So that will now mean that I'll draw a color bubble pointing in this direction in x of what? 3. All right, so that takes care of that.